The biggest difference after your first month on Rewarded Play is that your available game offers will probably look different from the ones you saw on day 1. By the end of this video, you'll know what usually changes after 30 days, how to keep earning rewards, and what mistakes can slow your progress. The first thing you'll notice is a changing game library. Rewarded Play regularly updates its catalog by adding new games and removing older promotions. If one of your favorite games disappears or stops earning rewards, that doesn't automatically mean your account has a problem. It usually means the promotion has ended or newer offers have taken its place. You'll also have a better idea of which types of games fit your playing style. During your first month, it's common to try several different titles. After that, most users naturally settle on a smaller group of games they actually enjoy. Focusing on games you'll continue playing makes it easier to stay consistent instead of constantly starting over with new downloads. Another change is how you manage your rewards. By now, you should know which gift card options you prefer and whether they're consistently available in your account. Before redeeming points, always check the rewards section rather than assuming the same options will still be there. Reward availability can change over time. If you've been earning rewards without problems, keep using the same account on the same supported device whenever possible. Frequently switching devices, creating additional accounts, or using unsupported software can lead to tracking issues or account reviews. Staying consistent helps reduce unnecessary problems. You should also review your installed games after the first month. If you have titles you no longer play, removing them can make your device easier to manage. Just remember that if you plan to continue earning rewards from a game, make sure you've completed everything you wanted before uninstalling it. Reinstalling a game doesn't always restore the same promotional opportunity. If your earnings seem slower than they were during your first week, don't assume Rewarded Play has stopped working. Compare the newest recommended games and look for fresh offers inside the app. Promotions change regularly, so the best earning opportunities may now be attached to different titles. Finally, keep the app updated. New versions often include bug fixes, performance improvements, and updated game offers. Running the latest version helps reduce tracking and redemption issues that can appear on outdated releases. Here's the takeaway. After 30 days, expect new game offers, changing rewards, and a clearer understanding of which games are worth your time. Stay with one account, check for new promotions regularly, and keep the app updated for the smoothest experience. If this guide helped, like the video, subscribe for more Rewarded Play tips, and check out our other videos covering earning strategies, redemptions, and common troubleshooting fixes.